What did I just skip?
Jumpers are away, jumpers are
They're
away.
off.
What is that? Yeah, it's a reload.
Now he's practicing the flip. That's how he'll have to land. He'll have to land on his back.
Oh, I know we saw this. I know what this is.
At 18,000 feet.
Yeah, it's no parachute jump.
That will be from his cousin, Andy Farrington, who will be closest to him.
You'll see.
There goes the oxygen mask. Now at 12,000 feet,
yeah, it's really scary, but
beep in his helmet, that will tell him he's halfway home.
For TOS purposes, he doesn't die. There's a 4-9 downside at the bottom. Chat, what do they have on their feet that's making air?
Momentarily, we'll see his jump team pull their chutes, and that means Luke
Shoes. Good one, dude. Funny joke, chat. Good one.
is all alone for the rest of the way. At 6,000 feet, he'll get another beep in his helmet.
I don't know why they're applauding.
There goes the chutes. Luke is on his own.
That's so scary, dude.
And the crowd on the ground looking up, they have a visual on him right now. He's in.
That's crazy, dude.
And he's kicking and moving. From here, it looked perfect. You just witnessed history being made.
Chat, did he break any bones at all? Or anything like a crack or something?
Medical staff to check him out and give us the official okay.
What about collateral damage on his organs? Anything like that?
Being lowered. This looks like a win all the way. The rest of his team hits the floor.
Aha!
History made it.
I see a lot of people in chat saying question mark. Well, let me give you a little piece of science, dude. Did you?
Evil shit has been my personality. Evil shit has been my personality. Evil shit is personality.